Hi, I'm learning with quick CNC, regardless of type of cutting unit done. Quick has a CNC router that makes a perfect fit. Today, we are going to introduce to you our access to CNC Machining Center 1530. This set will be sent to Canada soon. We'll go through and cover all the basic features. What is the access to CNC Machining Center? First of all, this bundle is done by HQD and is considered to be one of the best bundles in China. It's an automatic tool changes bundle. The 8 tool allows your CNC router to complete highly complex jobs with multiple tools with no user interaction. Look, here's the motors we equipped on this machine. 850 enormous servo motor and driver. Enormous Servo is a top Chinese servo brand with fast control speed, large torque, and high operating efficiency. The encoder of Enormous Servo adopts the Japanese Tamagawa brand with a resolution of up to 23 bits. This motor has a long life and a low failure rate. Now the foundation for any quality CNC machine is a heavy frame. That's very rigid, ruggedly constructed machine structure. The bed of SS2 is specially designed. The supporting feet can bear weight of the machine to the greatest extent and keep the body stable. Material is stress-relieved and annealed for deformation-free, thus always keep machine accurate. Machine use of T-slot and vacuum dual-purpose table is very environmentally friendly and strong. Divided into 6 absorption zones and independently controlled by hand valves. The large board can be used for over-absorption, and the smaller board can be clamped by T-slot. We give 6 T-slot clamps for free, allowing you to fix large and small boards as well, with good fixing effect and strong practicality. Of course, you can also choose PVC T-slot cable. Now, this is 5x10. We also offer it in 4x8, 5x12, and other sizes upon request. Okay, next is the rails and rack. What makes us different from other manufacturers is that we always insist on using imported brands. The rack Hurrian brand is from Germany, and the rails are from Taiwan. The great features I always loved about the SS2 is just how easy it is. To service and to operate maintenance is really easy. There's a centralized lubrication system here. One quick pump will lubricate all 3 axes of the machine. When it comes to machine control, Syntec is a leading company in the world. We chose them because it's a powerful controller. It makes the machine high precision and very stable. Syntec system has both panel control and PC-based control series for clients to choose from. We also give you a hand wheel that we can easily move the machine. Now, let's open the controller cabinet. We can see the enormous drivers, the inverter, and other important parts inside. Just like we have seen, all the wires are neat, and each cable has labels for maintaining the machine. We also put fans on the control cabinet to keep a steady stream of fresh air. Air going through the cabinet to maintain the temperature inside the control cabinet. This ensures years of reliable service from electronics. Well, that completes a walkthrough of all the different features of the machine. Today, I want everybody to see how fast this machine is.